Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for detailed, hands-on product breakdowns. Today, we're reviewing the best rabbit litter box corner training tray on the market, the RMNHPTK Large Rabbit Litter Box. If you're a rabbit owner looking for a durable, hygienic, and easy-to-maintain potty solution for your furry friend, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's start with the design. The RMNHPTK litter box is thoughtfully built with your rabbit's comfort and your convenience in mind. Measuring 15.2 inches long, 11 inches wide, and 7.3 inches high, it's spacious enough to comfortably accommodate adult rabbits between 3 to 9 pounds. It's large, but not overly bulky, making it ideal for most enclosures or cages. One of the standout features is the smart detachable design. The top and bottom come apart effortlessly, which means cleaning is a breeze. No more scrubbing hard-to-reach corners. Just pop the sections apart, rinse them down, and reassemble in seconds. Next, let's talk about cleanliness and containment. The three high sides are designed to keep urine and droppings from spilling outside the box, which is essential for maintaining a hygienic living space. The high walls also help guide your rabbit into using the litter box more effectively. Inside, there's a thick plastic grid platform that acts as a separator between your rabbit and their waste. This grid has a thoughtful sizing of 1.8 by 1.5 centimeters, big enough to allow droppings to fall through, but small enough to ensure your rabbit's paws are supported comfortably. That's an important detail because improper spacing can cause sore hocks or discomfort, and this litter box avoids that issue. Another useful feature is the set of adjustable hooks included on the back. These hooks allow you to securely attach the litter box to the side of most cages or pens. It helps prevent tipping, dragging, or accidental spills. Durability is also a strong point here. The box is made of thick polypropylene plastic. It's sturdy, smooth, and doesn't absorb odors easily. The surface is easy to wipe down or rinse clean. Pair it with disposable film liners, which are included in the package, and cleaning becomes even more effortless. Speaking of the package, you're not just getting the litter box. Inside the box, you'll also find a small dustpan and broom for tidying up your rabbit's cage, a cleaning brush for scrubbing the litter box, and 10 disposable film liners. It's a full setup that's clearly designed to make your life easier from day one. In use, this litter box performs exceptionally well. Whether placed in a corner of a cage or on the floor of a larger enclosure, it stays in place, keeps the area clean, and makes daily maintenance fast and stress-free. Most importantly, rabbits seem to take to it quickly, especially when paired with basic litter training techniques. While this model is optimized for rabbits, it's also suitable for other small animals like guinea pigs and ferrets, thanks to its versatile size and durable construction. If you've been struggling with messes outside the litter box, or if you're tired of flimsy trays that crack or tip, the RMNHPTK litter box is a solid upgrade. It's especially ideal for multi-rabbit households or anyone looking for a long-term solution that doesn't require constant replacements or repairs. That wraps up our review. The RMNHPTK Large Rabbit Litter Box stands out not just in size, but in function and practicality. It earns its title as the best rabbit litter box corner training tray, and we can see why. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next review.